And new this morning, the mountain community of Hartford continues its journey of recovery. While that community is filled with volunteers, many small business owners are left wondering where they can find the help they're in dire need of. Aaron Velasquez spoke to business owners and shares their story of resilience and recovery.
The town of Hartford is built upon the backs of the river rafting industry. However, the future of that industry is up in the air after flooding from Helene destroyed many businesses along the Pigeon River.
The rafting industry is what Hartford is.
Jon Felderman has operated Big Creek expeditions in Hartford for 21 years.
More than 90% of this property was covered underwater.
Now he turns to rebuilding the business he calls home.
The best we can hope for is that everybody comes back and goes rafting.
Rafting on a river that has been permanently changed from the floods.
The river's always changing with whatever water flows happen. We've never seen anything like this.
Another Hartford small business owner is in the community continuing the rebuilding process.
To see it all gone in one day, it was numbing at first, and I held strong until about day 4, and I think the reality hit, and I had a very emotional day.
Michelle Cuellar owned Bean Trees Cafe for 21 years as well.
Well, we had to completely gut my entire cafe. Everything had to go.
Her business now relies on the help of volunteers to recover.
We will rebuild. Hartford will rebuild.
But she hopes they can all get some guidance on how to get the funding they need.
We just really need an advocate that can come up here and maybe have a meeting with all of us and help us figure out how to get grants and loans and at a low interest rate and help us out.
For the people of Hartford, the cleanup and rebuilding process continues. And for the people who make their lives on this river, they can only hope they'll be back up and running come March of next year. Reporting in Cocke County, I'm Aaron Velasquez.
The Small Business Administration says business owners can go to their website to learn more about how they can receive disaster assistance, and you can find the link to do that right now on WBIR.com.